Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to insert row in Excel using C# code in Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In Power Automate Desktop, if you want to work with the C# code, you need to use .NET script action. Therefore, we are using this .NET script action. And since we want to work with the Excel file, we have included this microsoft.office.interop.excel assembly, right? And here if you can see that we have this .NET packages, right? This is the folder where we have the DLL files. In this folder, you can see that we have these two DLL files, which is interop.microsoft.office.interop.excel.dll and system.data.datasetExtensions.dll. These are the two files which are required to work with the Excel file using C# code in Power Automate Desktop. Here you can see that we have used this microsoft.office.interop.excel.application to create a object, right? So we have used this Excel app equals to new and then created an object. After that, I have set the visible property as true so that you can see the Excel file open in front of your screen. Now what we will do is we will create workbook object. For that we will write Excel app.workbooks.add. We are using this add function to create a new workbook. After that we will create an object of worksheet. So I'll say worksheet ws is equals to, and then we will do the typecasting. For that, what I will do is I will just copy this piece, paste it here, dot worksheet, and then I will specify the worksheet, which is wb dot sheets. Then I will give the index, which is 1. So in Excel, worksheets are going to have the index which is going to start from 1. Now what I will do is I will write data. So I will just say ws dot, and then I will give the range. Range I will specify in the square bracket. Let's say I want to write data from A3 to C7. Okay, and then I will say dot value 2 is equals to, and the value is going to be, let's say, technical training, semicolon, and then I will click on save, and then I will run the bot. Code execution has completed. I will check the Excel file, and here you can see that we have written data from A3 to C7, right? What I want to do is I want to insert row in between these rows. I will open .NET script action. Here I will go and just I will copy this range, paste it here, and let's say I will say I want to insert a row from B4 to C5. Okay, and then I will say entire row dot insert. I will open the bracket and close it, and inside that I will write microsoft.office.interop.excel. So I will just copy this part, paste it here, and then I will write Excel insert shift direction dot Excel shift down. Then I'll put semicolon. Now I will give a bit of delay here. So for that I will use this system dot threading dot thread dot sleep. I will give delay of, let's say, 5 seconds. So this is 5000 milliseconds. I will click on save, and then I will run the bot. Excel file has opened and it has written the data. Now it is waiting for 5 seconds. and then it will insert a row. Here you can see that now it has added 2 rows and it has shifted the data down, right? Now we will learn how to increase the row height. So I will just use this range. Let's say I want to increase the row height of, let's say, B4, and then I will just remove this range, and here I will say row height. And I will give the height as, let's say, 40. Put a semicolon. I will copy this wait time so that I can show you how it is working. I will give a delay of, let's say, 2 seconds. And after that, what I will do is I will do the auto fit of the row. So I will just copy this range again, and I will come here, paste it. Then I will say rows dot auto fit, bracket, and then close it. And then I will click on save and run the bot. Bot execution has started. As you noticed here that we have written the data, and then we inserted 2 rows, then the row height was increased to 40, and now you can see that it is in auto fit state. So this is how you can use C# code to insert row in the Excel. You can increase the row height, and also you can do the auto fit. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.